Do you know if you invest little over 1.5 grand per month, that is 20,000 pounds in a year, for an interest rate of 10%, you can be a millionaire within 18 years. Why these figures? Because 20,000 pounds is your annual ISA allowance and 10% is an average annual return from S&P 500 index, that is the safest and favored investment of our time. Now, your 1 million at the end of 18 years would have 350 grands of your own investment and 650 grands of the interest you earned on your investment. As a matter of fact, in the 18th year, you would earn an interest of 95,000 pounds. Imagine paying tax on that. Even if this 20,000 pounds that you invested in ISA was your sole earning of that year, the 90,000 pounds of interest would take your earning to 115,000 pounds for that tax year, and you will end up paying 34,000 pounds in the tax and 6,000 pounds in national insurance. With this saving and this taxation, you cannot become a millionaire in your lifetime unless you invest in ISA, where you will not pay a single penny in the tax and can become a millionaire in 18 years. You can achieve your millionaire dream in 13 years if you utilize your and your spouse's ISA allowance. This is the power of ISA and compound interest. I'm Prashant and I welcome you to my channel Invest UK, where I help you to invest in a tax efficient way. ISA stands for Individual Saving Account. You can put up to 20,000 pounds in any tax years into ISA account. There is no tax relief when you put money into ISA account. However, there is no capital gain tax when you sell any shares or funds from your ISA account. There is no income tax on any interest or dividends you gain from the ISA account. The best part is you can access your ISA account anytime and there is no tax when you withdraw money from your ISA account. Broadly speaking, there are two ways to invest money in ISA. Cash ISA, where you can save money in a bank account that offers you an interest rate somewhere between 0.25 to 1%, which is nowhere near the current inflation rate in the UK, which sits at 4.2%. So by putting money in cash ISA, you are essentially devaluating your money. 4 words of advice: do not do it. Another type is the stocks and shares ISA, where you find a platform to invest your money in shares, ETFs, funds. Of course, with the potential risk of losing your money, but with a very high probability of growing it at a rate between 7 to 10%. 7% is average annual return of FTSE 100, that's a UK blue chip index, and 10% is average annual return of S&P 500, that's American blue chip index. There are lots of ISA platforms available in the market, but the choice is not very difficult. There are 4 cardinal elements that you must take into consideration before choosing a stocks and shares ISA platform. Most important is the choice of instrument. Does the platform offer access to only funds and ETFs, or they also offer access to individual shares? Second, what are their charges? Mind you, the platforms differ hugely when it comes to these fees. And it's very important that you pay attention to all these details before you commit yourself. This may not be your priority in the beginning, but it may become once you are an experienced trader. And last but not least, is the platform reliable? What is their history? What is their track record? What is their customer service? I have reviewed stocks and shares ISA platforms available in the market along with their charges. I'm not going to go in details, but you may choose to pause the video and take a look in detail. I'm going to simplify the choice into 2 platforms, and you can choose one depending on the nature of your investments. If you are a long-term investor who does not like frequent trading, who wants a diversified, risk mitigated investment option, Vanguard is a platform for you. It offers an access to a wide range of funds and ETFs in a very low platform and management fees. If you like to cherry pick individual company shares through your research and analysis and like to trade them frequently to your advantage, Free Trade is a platform for you. It has the lowest flat rate platform fee and it does not charge you for buying and selling shares. You can buy funds and ETFs as well. However, order execution like stop loss and limit are available at an additional charge of 6.99 per month. I would like to address some common myths about ISA. I don't want to invest in shares. I will open an ISA account when I want to invest in shares. If you don't want to invest in shares, open a cash ISA account and invest there. When you're ready to invest in shares, you can transfer your cash ISA to your shares and stocks ISA account. You may lose everything if you invest in shares. Yes, technically it's true, but there are instruments like funds and ETFs that diversify your investments in multiple companies, and individual company loss would not affect the long-term growth potential of your investment. And you can always put a stop loss on your individual company shares. If you invest in shares, you are on alert for 24/7. If you are a long-term investor, you may need to revise your portfolio probably once a month. And if you are a frequent trader, you can put price alerts on the individual company shares, or you can also put advance orders like stop loss, limit, so that you can manage your entire portfolio by spending just half an hour in a day. That's it, folks. Hope you got some useful ideas for your ISA investments from this video. Take care.